Bootable device, how to fix it. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this one, we'll fix the boot issue on your Acer laptop. Let's quickly solve this error. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make various tutorials to help you out. Guys, this error is likely a hard drive issue, okay? The laptop can't find the hard drive. It says there's no bootable media available. Could be a faulty drive or it's not seated properly. Third option, BIOS settings might be wrong. So what are we going to do to fix this? We won't replace the hard drive. The drive is fine, the system's okay. We'll just enter BIOS and change boot order. What's our plan? Press Ctrl, Alt, and delete simultaneously. All three buttons together. Ctrl, Alt, Delete. On the boot screen, when the Acer logo appears, press F. Let's do it. I'll press Ctrl, Alt, Delete now. It's booting. When you see the Acer logo, press F. This takes you to the BIOS screen to configure. First, we'll check the boot mode. Let's go to boot. From information, use the arrow keys to reach boot. Now check the boot mode. If it's set to UEFI, press Enter. Press Enter to switch to Legacy. Use the down arrow on the keyboard. Select Legacy. Press Enter again. A recommendation screen will appear. Press OK. Press Enter. It's changed the boot mode. That's all set. It's going to boot up. It needs to boot here. I'll press Enter now. I've already switched to Legacy. Now you need to save this information. Press F10 on your keyboard. Click F. To save, press Enter. Press R$ and then Enter again. It will start booting. Now it's going to work, folks. Acer logo. And it will boot normally. That's it. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'll wrap up here. Take care and God bless. Thanks.